how to find favorites on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find favorites on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer and here you will find this icon here, this one, favorites. You will find it here in the bottom corner. Just click on it. And as you see here, you can find your favorites, playlists or albums, and that's how to find it. And as you see, that's how to find favorites on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.